If you think eggs are the best source of protein, then you have been misled because there is a tiny seed which has more protein than eggs. It is easier to digest and has more vitamins and minerals as compared to eggs. And for many people, this seed leads to less cravings and better energy. But here's the problem. Most people don't know about this seed, or they are using this seed in the complete wrong way. And that's the reason they don't see the results. Now, eggs are definitely nutritious, but for some people, eggs can upset their stomach or they can increase their inflammation. And plus, the cholesterol in eggs can increase their cholesterol levels. That's the reason people are looking for alternative. And this tiny seed has more protein than eggs, and it is easier to digest, and it doesn't even have any cholesterol, but instead it has good omega 3s which are going to improve your good cholesterol in your body. This seed I'm talking about are hemp seeds. But before you swipe away thinking that you already know about hemp seeds, let me tell you this, most people are not using hemp seeds in the right way, and that's the reason they don't see any benefits. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the exact method of how to use these hemp seeds so they can be a good source of protein for your body and make you more healthy. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Now, everybody is talking about protein these days because protein is one of the essential nutrients for our body. It not only helps in building muscles, but it regulates our metabolism. It regulates our hormones, as well as it regulates those enzymes which are responsible for detoxification in your body. And when we consume suboptimal amount of protein in our diet, that leads to weight gain, poor energy. Several hormonal issues like thyroid problems and other problems can be because of this. Plus, your body doesn't work at the optimal level. So protein is just not about muscle building. It is about getting healthy. And the interesting fact that most people don't know is that all proteins are not created equal. So it is very important to consume the right protein. Now, most people are using eggs as their source of protein. Well, eggs do have good amount of protein and it is a complete protein. But as I shared with you, it does come with its own problems. Eggs have cross reactivity with dairy. So a lot of people now these days are not able to digest eggs properly. It actually can cause gut inflammation in their body. Plus, they do have high amount of cholesterol. So that's where hemp seeds are a great alternative to eggs. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds have actually 10 grams of protein, while one egg has only 6 to 7 grams of protein. And hemp seeds are a complete source of protein and they are easier to digest and absorbed from your gut. Hemp seeds are also very high in omega 3s and omega 6. These are good fatty acids. Specifically, it has a good ratio of omega 3 to omega 6, which is needed by your body. Plus, they are very high in iron, magnesium, zinc and potassium, all of the minerals which are very essential for your body to function better. And they are good source of fiber which acts as a prebiotic and improves your gut health. So as you will see, hands down, hemp seeds have much more health benefit as compared to eggs. But here's the most common mistakes I see people making when they're using the hemp seeds. First of all, they are not using enough hemp seeds in a day, and that's the reason they don't see any improvement. Second of all, they are using processed version of hemp seeds, which is high in chemicals, and again that harms their body than doing any benefit. And plus, they are using at the wrong time of the day. Alright, so first let's talk about how much hemp seeds you should consume. So to get the maximum benefit, you need to consume 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. But start with 1 tablespoon first. Let your body get used to them and then slowly increase to 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Now let's talk about what is the best form of hemp seeds. So first of all, hemp seeds come in 3 different forms. One is the whole hemp seeds which come with the shell. The second one is the whole hemp seeds which come without the shell, which are also called the hemp hearts. These are softer and easier to eat. And third one obviously is the hemp protein powder. And the next question is that whether you should eat hemp seeds raw or roasted. So first of all, for most people, the hemp hearts work really good because all the protein is in the hemp hearts, plus all the omegas are in the hemp hearts. They are easier to digest also. So for most of my patients, hemp hearts work really good. But if you need that extra fiber boost, then you can eat whole hemp seeds also. Now the question about whether you should consume them raw or roasted, that actually totally depends on your taste profile, because when you roast them, then it does give you a little bit of nutty flavor. So if you plan to use them in your salads, in your smoothies, or in your yogurt bowls, then eating them roasted might be a good option for you. But if you roast them at high temperatures, that does destroy some of the omega 3s in them. So, in that way, if you want the maximum benefit, then the raw hemp hearts give you all the benefits over there. Now, the last thing is, what is the best time of the day you should consume them? I recommend using them in the morning, because in the morning is where your body needs the maximum boost of protein to start your day, as well as give your body all the amino acids it needs. So either in the morning you can add them to your smoothies. If you're using oatmeals, you can sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal. If you are making a yogurt chia seed bowl, then you can add them on top of them also. Otherwise, you can simply use hemp protein powder also as a protein shake in the morning. Now, before I leave, one more important tip, that you should store your hemp seeds always in the refrigerator, because if they're left outside, specifically in high temperature, they do get rancid and their omega 3s do get destroyed. So alright, what you should expect after starting your hemp seeds? Well, on the day one, you are not going to see any difference, because they work very subtly in your body. So once you use them consistently for over a week, you're going to see that your sugar cravings are lesser as compared to before. You will feel more energy in your body, and you should also see an improvement in your gut. So today I shared with you this tiny seed, which is a powerhouse for your health benefits. It has the right amount of protein in the right form, which is absorbable by your gut, which can improve your health significantly. So give them a try today and see how you feel about them. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this kind of health information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who might benefit from this information. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.